Session. What is a PHP session? When you work with an application, you open it, do some change, and then you close it. This is much like a session. The computer knows who you are. It knows when you start the application and when you end. But on the internet, there is one problem. The web server does not know who you are or what you do because the HTTP address does not maintain a state. Session variables solve this problem by storing user information to be used across multiple pages. By default, session variable lasts until the user closes the browser. So session variables hold information about one single user and are available to all pages in one application. Session variables are set with the PHP global variable sign $_ and session. So here we have an example, and a session is started with the session start function. We can see on this part. We have to write this code in each page index. Then, for example, we have two values. Here, color, favorite color green, two variables, and then session favorite animal cat. Now we will check how to show on the screen these two values. As I said recently, to show each value we will put echo, a string, and then the global session that we stored recently. We don't forget to use session start, okay? We will check on the screen what we will see. So now, as we can see here, we can read favorite color is yellow and favorite animal is cat. So, as I said, this session is an interaction with the user and the server. And the server stores information about each user. So that is all that we need to know for the moment about session, and I hope this can be helpful for each one of you.